Hey, it's Clay at ClayTrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market just opened up, so I will pause our screen recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential opportunity. All right, I'm looking to buy at 145, so I'm watching that number. I want to see that drop down to 145, and then I want to see this white line turn green. If the white turns green, that means I've been able to buy. So white means I'm trying to buy. Green means I have been able to buy, and I am doing options here. If you're not sure what options are, just comment below option guide, and I will link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. It'll walk through terminologies, how things are working, and give you a good foundation to which you can build from. And don't be intimidated. I know sometimes people hear the word option and they run away. Options can be made very complicated, but they don't have to be made that way. And I approach them in more of a simple, straightforward way. So if that's how you like to approach things, then like I said, just comment below option guide. All right, it's maybe going to get close. Like I said, I'm watching 145. All right, it was close for a second. I will pause and I'll keep an eye on it. All right, I have an order at 137. I tried there, did not fill me. I'm going to change strike prices. You're changing what? Again, just comment below option guide. I will link you to the class that, like I said, will go over that term. So yeah, these prices here changed because I just changed strike prices. So I'm at 142 now. It was close. Need to go down to 137 now. Nope. Oh, okay. Let's go to 150 here. I might raise that one up. This is looking like it's got to be getting relatively close to wanting to bounce. All right, I'll pause. Okay, I'm at 145 here for a call. There we go. And at 145. And out for $500 on that one. Very good start to the day. Once again, that was white. When that turned green, you'd have noticed numbers over here starting to flash around. And then that sat out there white for a while. And then when that turned white, over here is where the $500 showed up. So, and that was 30 seconds. So you can see right here the time of that trade, 30 seconds long, and put 500 in my pocket, which sounds like a scam. I know, totally sounds like a scam, but you just witnessed it right there. All right, go 140 now at this point. If this wants to come down some more, let me just double check. Yep, 140. All right, we'll see if this wants to pull back some more, and I'll be ready. But good start to the day, $500 in the 30-second trade. It's nine. Well, by the time that trade was over, it was 9:37:28. So 7.5 minutes into the day, up 500. Let's see if I can get another trade though. I will pause. All right, gonna go for put here at 162. It looks like I missed that. I'm sorry, I was going for it at 160. Maybe I should still be trying to get it up there. But I don't think 160 was the right entry point. Yeah, regardless. $147. Let's try that. Yeah, 147. Nope, not filling me. Might try 147 again if it wants to get up to that area. We'll see how this candle finishes closing, and then I may be one up. Get a little bit more aggressive than 147, maybe a 149. Like I said, I want to see how this candle here finishes. Okay, let's try 149. All right, I'll pause and we'll see if it wants to make its way up there. I'm gonna go for put here at one. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what the, maybe it is 155. I think 151. Let's try 151. Oh, now it's already starting to come back down a little bit. So too slow on that one. That's all right. I will pause. All right, gonna try for put there at 170, and I did get it at 170. And out there for 250 on that one. Very good. That puts me at 750 on the day. It is 10:18, so 48 minutes into the day, up $750. I think I'm going to go ahead and call that a very, very good day. And just for context, I have many streams of income. This is why I don't call myself a full-time trader. Because in my opinion, at least, if you have many streams of income, then you're not actually a full-time anything. You're basically a full-time hustler because you have many streams of income. You have many side hustles, this is, like I said, I do real estate. I have ClayTrader.com, and I do just some other things too. So moral of the story there, I'm a big believer in multiple streams of income. And when you can have multiple streams of income, you can obtain what I argue is the ultimate wealth, that wealth being the freedom of the calendar, the freedom of the schedule. When you can look at your schedule and say, no, I don't feel like doing that. Yeah, that looks good. And as somebody that is a father of 6 kids, that's what I want. I want the freedom of time. Maybe your definition of wealth is a Malibu mansion with a garage full of Lamborghinis. That's totally cool. If that's your definition, I hope you go for it. I hope you accomplish it. But yes, you're going to need to make more money than what I just made right here. But when you can put $750 in your pocket in 48 minutes, associated with other streams of income, to me that is a good thing. That is something I'm very happy and grateful for. And I know it's easy to look around social media and see this and be like, "That's all you made, dude. You're not very good." And I mean, that's fine. But would you ever go up to somebody that makes $50 an hour and say, I made $750 in 48 minutes. I'm not very happy about it. Of course not. You would never do that because I've now reframed the way your brain is viewing this. And social media is a very unique way of unframing your brain from reality. So like I said, even if you made, let's call it $75 in 48 minutes, that's bonkers. Like where can you make $75 in 48 minutes? When minimum wage is $20 or whatever it is these days. It's actually pretty crazy if you stop and think about it and look at things in the right frame. So that is all I have for you though. So 2 trades, both relatively quick. That second one, I guess, looking right here, you can see was 7 seconds. But overall, done within about, a little over 48 minutes. Again, if you do want to learn more about options, just comment below option guide and I will link that free class to you. But yeah, 48 minutes, $750, I will take it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use.
But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.